In the last sessions, we assessed the step 1, that is multicollinearity, and we assessed structural relationships. Now, in this particular session, we are focusing on step 3, that is explanatory power. Assess the model's explanatory power. The next step involves examining coefficient of determination, that is your R-square of the endogenous constructs. Now, the R-square represents the variance explained in each of the endogenous constructs and is a measure of model's explanatory power, also referred to as in-sample predictive power. The R-square ranges from 0 to 1, with higher values indicating greater explanatory power. As a general guideline, R-square values of 0.75, 0.50 or 0.25 can be considered as substantial, moderate and weak respectively in many social sciences disciplines. But acceptable R-square values are based on research context, and in some disciplines, an R-square value as low as 0.10, that is 10% variance in the endogenous construct, is considered satisfactory. In step 3 of the structural model assessment procedure, we need to consider the model's explanatory power by analyzing the R-square of endogenous constructs and F-square effect size of predictor constructs. To start with, we need to examine R-square values of the endogenous constructs. The R-square value of collaborative culture. So where is this R-square? How do we get this R-square? So first, let's get this R-square. Let's copy. And here is our model. And let's get this. So let's see the R-square. Let's run it. And what's the R-square? Let's look at this. The R-square for collaborative culture is 0.608. That is 60% change in collaborative culture is being accounted by these three variables. This is changed into percentage. Multiply by 100, so 60.8% change in collaborative culture is being accounted by these three variables here, because these are the only three variables in the model. Now the R-square value of collaborative culture, as shown 0.608, can be considered moderate. Now where is your F-square and how do we get our F-square? So here is the output for F-square, but first let's see our F-square output in R. So copy it. Okay, I've got already copied. Let's run it and look at the effect size here. So effect size is for the impact of vision, development, rewards on collaborative culture. So effect size for your exogenous variable. Now look at the effect size here. This is small and this can be referred to as, or these two can be referred to as moderate. So what do we mean by F-square? Now F-square means that if we were to remove an exogenous variable, how does this impact the R-square value? Is the impact small, medium or large? So how do we assess the small, medium or large impact? Now this is small because this is less than 0.15 and this is medium, and anything above 0.35 can be regarded as large. Now removal of vision from this model will have a small impact on the R-square, whereas removal of development and rewards will have a more medium or moderate impact on the R-square values. Now this is what we mean by R-square and F-square, and this is how they are interpreted. Thank you very much.